Morning students, we already start chapter number 5, classification of elements and periodicity. In previous video we will discuss about the trends in modern periodic table, how valency vary along the period and down the group, how atomic size of down the group and along the period varies, and we discuss with the help of activities 5.6, 5.7 and 5.9 and 5.8 which we discussed in previous video के along the period size decreases due to the addition of electron in the same shell and the nuclear charge goes on increasing and maximum electron towards the nucleus. In case of down the group, the atomic size increases due to the addition of new shell and electron added in a new shell. Today we will discuss metallic and non-metallic properties, and which side of the periodic table metals and which side non-metals are present. So activity 5.9, examine elements of third period and classify them as metals and non-metals. On which side of periodic table do you find metals? Mostly left. On which side periodic table you find the non-metals? That are right side. So left side साडे को metals ने, right side साडे को non-metals ने. So as can use, we can see the metals like a sodium, magnesium towards left hand side, while the non-metals like a sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine are found right hand side. In middle we have silicon, which is classified as a semi-metal or metalloid. So because it exhibits are properties both metals and non-metals. So what are metalloids? Which show both properties metals and non-metals. So then in the modern periodic table, a zigzag line separates metal from non-metal, that are called borderline element. Name the borderline element: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurinium and polonium. These are called borderline element. So remember these. So name the three borderline elements or name the borderline elements. So and you give any name out of these elements. So these are called metalloids because they show both properties metal as well as non-metals. Clear? So as you have seen in chapter 3rd, metal tend to lose electron to form a cation and while forming bonds, and they are electropositive nature. So metal साडे को electron lose कर दिए ने, so that's why it has tendency to form a cation. So they are electropositive nature. Activity 5.10, how do you think the tendency to lose electron will change in group? So साडे को जिहड़ी tendency है electron lose करन दी group दे विचों किवें vary करदी है? How will the tendency change in a period? So down the group ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, same number of electron lose ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ outermost shell ਚੋਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ loosely held ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ by the nucleus. But along the period ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ tendency ਹੈ ਉਹ depend ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ what type of element है. How much energy required to remove the electron or tightly bond electron with the nucleus. So as the effective nuclear charge acting on the valence shell electron increases across the period, क्योंकि maximum attraction होती है, so the tendency to lose electron will decrease. From left to right, the tendency to lose electron decreases due to increase in effective nuclear charge and more attraction of the electron towards nucleus. Down the group, the effective nuclear charge experienced by valence is decreasing of electron decreasing because outermost electron are farther away from the nucleus. So down the group ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਈਏ top to bottom ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ tendency electron lose ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਉਹ easily lose ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. So these can be lost easily. So hence metallic character decreases across a period and increases down the group. So when we move from left to right, metallic character decreases, non-metallic character increases, and down the group metallic character increases. So non-metals on the other hand, they are electronegative because they have tendency to form a bond by gaining electrons, so form anions. So let us learn about the variation of this property. Activity 5.11, how would the tendency to gain electron change as you go from left to right across a period? So across a period साडे को increase कर दी है क्योंकि right hand side साडे को की ने non-metals ने and they have tendency to gain electron. How would the tendency to gain electron change as you go down the group? That decreases क्योंकि electropositive character increase करदा down the group. So as the trend electron activity show, non-metals are found right hand side, so it means they have tendency to gain electron. So these trend also helps us to predict the nature of oxide formed by element. So because it is known as oxides of metals are basic and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. This property we already discussed in metals and non-metals chapter. Clear? So and the oxides of metalloids or borderline elements are amphoteric in nature. Now we discuss all the properties in with the help of periodic table. So it is a modern periodic table and you know that left hand side ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ typical metals ਨੇ ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ soft metals ਨੇ these are alkali metals because their salts are easily soluble in water. These are called alkaline earth metals because their salts are not easily soluble in water. They are more electropositive. Electropositive character decreases when we move from lithium to neon. Left to right move करते हैं. Clear? So ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ left hand side typical metals ने ये साढ़े को borderline element ने boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, tellurium, polonium. These are typical metals, non-metals and metals properties. So they are called metalloids, which show both properties. And these yellow color are non-metals: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, astatine, iodine, bromine, chlorine, sulfur, selenium, phosphorus. These are all are typical non-metals and their oxides are acidic in nature. These borderline element oxides are amphoteric, which react acid as well as with the base. So these are the typical metals. For example, coinage metal: iron, copper, silver, gold. Copper, silver, gold, these are coinage metals. Clear? So iron साढ़े को maximum usable metal है. Copper, it is used for the transmission of electricity. Aluminium also used. Zinc is a hard metal. So these are the metals. Clear? So this group is called noble gases, inert gases, because they are not reactive in nature. And these are called halogens because first member and second member are gaseous state, third member is liquid, fourth member is solid. So name the non-metal which is liquid, that is bromine. Name the non-metal which is luster in nature, that is iodine. And name the metal which is liquid at room temperature, that is mercury. This metal is mercury present here. So these are present in typical metals. So name the metal which are lower reactive: platinum, gold and silver. These are least reactive metals. These all properties we will discuss in metal and non-metal chapter. So hydrogen the position है modern periodic table the limitation की है, it fix a position of hydrogen not fixed क्योंकि its properties resemble with first group as well as with the 17th group because it tendency to gain one electron to form a hydride H negative. If it's lose electron it form a H positive. So its first limitation of modern periodic table is hydrogen position is not fixed. Second point, its limitation, it not give a proper place in the proper periodic table ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ place ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ F block ਦੇ elements ਨੂੰ, lanthanide ਤੇ actinoids ਨੂੰ. ਸੋ ਇਹਦੀ achievements ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੀ limitation ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਿ proper ਪੂਰੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ periodic table ਆ ਉਹਦੇ space ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ. ਦੂਸਰਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਡ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਅਲੱਗ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਨੇ, ਰੇਡੀਓ ਐਕਟਿਵ ਨੇਚਰ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਅਬੰਡੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਲੈਸ ਅਮਾਊਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਸੋ these are the two limitations. Hydrogen position is not fixed and it give a separate position of lanthanoid and actinoid, not in the main ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ periodic table ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ place ਨਹੀਂ provide ਕੀਤੀ. So next, what are the achievements? So its fundamental property of modern periodic table is increasing periodic function of their atomic number. So when we move from top to bottom, atomic number increase 1, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87 and along the period also increases. So when we move from left to right and top to bottom, both side atomic number increases. So that's why it follow that property, that law which it decided कि atomic number, that is a more fundamental property to arrange the elements in a proper period or a proper group. And also it gave some corrections in Mendeleev periodic table, kida mass higher C, kida low C, that give a proper place. And he also distinguished between metals and non-metals and what type of oxides nature of metals and non-metals, basic or non acidic in nature or amphoteric in nature. So where the electropositive element situated, that is extremely left side, and where are electronegative element extremely right side. So one ਸਾਡੇ को if it lose electron it attain a inert gas configuration, if it gain electron it attain a nearest noble gas configuration. So in this way the modern periodic table by Moseley give a full-fledged information and a proper information provide to us and easy to remember. and in a systemic way all the elements are arranged on the basis of their properties. So this is your chapter number 5. If you guys have any doubt in any topic in any chapter of chemistry, you can call me or through message you clarify your doubt. Thank you.